When Abaqus CAE is opened, you see the components that appear in main window. From the top, you see tile bar. It indicated the Abaqus version you are running. And the name of the model you already saved and path. Menu bar. It contains all the available menus. The menus give you access to all functionality in Abaqus. Different menus appear in menu bar according to the module. For example, in Part module, you see the Part and Shape menus. While in Material module, Material and Section menus appear. Toolbars. They give you quick access to the items that are also available in the menus. You can move the location of each toolbar by press and hold down left mouse button. Drag to desired location. Each toolbar has name. If you move them to viewport, the name is displayed. Or just hold the mouse pointer on toolbar grip to display its name. You can show or hide the toolbars via View menu. Check and uncheck to show or hide them. Show and hide file toolbar. Or show and hide view manipulation. Context bar. It displays the name of current module, current part, and model name. Model tree. The model tree provides you with a graphical overview of your model and the objects that it contains. It also provides a tool for moving between modules and for managing objects. Double-click on module in model tree to move to that module. Results tree. The results tree provides you with a graphical overview of your output databases. Toolbox area. The toolbox allows quick access to many of the module functions that are also available from the menu bar. They change when you move from one module to another. Drawing area. The drawing area can be thought of as an infinite screen or bulletin board on which you post viewports. Viewport. Viewports are windows on the drawing area in which Abaqus CAE displays your model. Prompt area. The prompt area displays instructions for you to follow during a procedure. For example, software asks you to select a region in prompt area. Message area. Abaqus CAE prints status information and warnings in the message area. For example, when you click the Save in File toolbar, a message in message area is typed. You can resize the message area by drag the top edge. Command line interface. You can use the command line interface to type Python commands and evaluate mathematical expressions using the Python interpreter that is built into Abaqus/CAE. It's one of advanced feature of Abaqus. For example, you can do mathematical operation. Select the geometry. You can select geometry components in viewport. Select the geometry component by move the pointer on object like edge or vertex, then press the left mouse button. Use the selection toolbar to filter selection. For example, select edge to select just edges on viewports. Or vertices. Press and hold Shift button to select multi-objects. Press and hold CTL button to deselect an item. Press left button somewhere in viewport to deselect all selected items.